What up, guys? Big Chef here, and today I'm gonna be opening up another package that I got from Rooster Teeth. Yep, another Rooster Teeth poster. Oh man, it's gonna be something. Oh man, so alright, about to get started opening. Oh man, I hope I know what it is. Oh, the receipt. Alright, gotta be careful with the. Oh, there's no staple on this one. Alright, there we go. And oh my gosh, I think of course, know what it is. Oh my gosh, holy crap. Oh man, hold up, I gotta stand up. Y'all gotta see this. Oh man. Check it out. The Ruby Volume 4 poster. Oh my gosh. This is crazy though. Oh my gosh. I like how they did with the artwork. There's Ruby, Jean, Ran, Nora, Yang, Weiss, and there's Blake. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, like I said before, I like how they did with the artwork. And oh man, I can't wait for Volume 5 when it comes out. Oh man, this is something right here. And check it out. Oh, gotta get a picture frame of this. Oh man. Man, oh man. Man, I've been wanting to get this poster since Volume 4 came out. Oh man. Gotta get a picture frame of this. Oh man. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't pay attention. There's an autograph right here. I don't know if y'all can see that real good. But, man. So cool, though. Oh, man. Yep, I gotta get a picture frame for this. Oh, man. Gotta be really careful with this. Oh man. Yeah, like I said, I can't wait for Volume 5 to come out, and oh man. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video as much as I did, and I want to thank the people from Rooster Teeth, and oh my gosh, and thanks for watching. And once again, I want to thank the people from Rooster Teeth, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So until then, this is Big Chef signing off. Holla at your boy.